Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hope you will be fine and in the best state of Iman. Dear students, today our topic is English sounds. The importance of English sound and the use of English sound. How will we use them in English? The first thing, sound is a soul and heart of a language. So we have to learn the sound of a language for the purpose to convey our message the way we want. So we have 44 English sounds. 26 letters are there, but the sounds are 44. There are two categories. Two types are there. They are divided in two groups, vowels and consonants. So we have 20 vowels and 24 consonants. Then further divide it in two groups. One we call monophthong, and the second we call diphthongs. Monophthongs are those sounds which are single. Okay, like in letters we say S is single. Okay, SH is then digraph. So in the sound, the monophthongs are vowels which are single. Okay, in that your tongue stay at one place. They don't move. Okay, so what is there? We have 12 monophthongs and diphthongs are 8. We have 8 diphthong sounds. Okay, diphthong are double sounds get together, connected together, and it pronounce one sound. So how many sounds we have? We have 44 sounds. Vowels are 20, consonants are 24, monophthongs are 12, and diphthongs are 8. Then monophthongs are further divided into two groups. One is short and one is long. We have 7 short sounds and we have 5 long sounds. If we come to the consonant side, so they are also divided into two groups. One we call voiced and one we call unvoiced, a soft and a hard sound. We have 15 voiced consonants and unvoiced are 9. Okay, so let's know about short vowel sounds. We have 7 short vowel sounds. The first one is here, as you can see in sit, sit, it sound. The first sound is it, it. We have the first short vowel sound in sit and bit, sit and bit, s, it and t, sit, b, it and t, it, bit, sit, it, bit, it. Okay, there are many words with that. For example, we say is, in, him. Okay, so there are many words with it sound. So, and that is the symbol of it sound. There will be 2 slashes on both sides and between there will be the sound. So we will know that it is a symbol of sound. Okay, the second one, we have a sound. The first was it, a. The mouth will be a bit open, a bit open. The first is sit, so the second sound is set, sit, set, set, S-E-T, sa, a, and t sound. So that is set, set, and bet, B-E-T, b-a-t, bet, set, bet, sit, set, sit, set, bit, bet. So there are 2 sounds and the symbol is like E, like letter E. The third one sound, the third one is it comes in set, at sound, at sound. The mouth will be a bit more open, at. The first one is it sound, at, and at, set, set, bat, 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 man, said, said. Okay, so that is the third one sound, and the symbol is like A and E combined. Okay, so that is the third sound in short vowel sounds. The fourth one, we call it cup sound. Cup sound. Which comes in cup. It comes in cut. K, t, cut, cut, and but. Okay, so let's repeat it. The first is, repeat after me. Sit, sit, set, set, sat, sat, cut, cut, bit, bet, bat, but, bit, bet, bat, but. Okay, the fifth one sound is O. The mouth will be round, the lips will be completely round. O, O, O. It comes in top, top, top. Or another word we have pot, pot, pot. Okay. After that we have the sound. The mouth will be nearly closed in round. Okay. Ooh. Ooh sound. Okay, but it is the short form. Okay, the short one is ooh. You will cut it out and you will make it short. Ooh, ooh. Okay, like it comes in book, 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 book. And another word is good, good, good. Okay, the seventh one sound we have shwa sound. We call it shwa sound, which comes in shwa. Okay. For example, this is the weaker form of R. Sometimes, for example, we say brother. So British don't use R, the final R. Okay. So use brother, brother. Okay. Or another we can say ago, ago, A-G-O, ago, ago, a sound. R. It also comes in about. About, about. So we have 7 sounds, okay, in short vowels. They are I, E, A, U, A. Okay, so these are 7 sounds. Okay, now we have 5 long vowel sounds. 5 long vowel sounds. They both are monophthongs. Okay, we are talking about monophthongs. There are 12 divided in 2 groups, short and long vowel sounds. Okay, so short we did, and now we are going towards long vowel sounds. Okay, so the first sound in the short we used there was a sound I sound. Okay, so that sound you should make it long. For example, I, so E, E, E. There was the word in short that was sit. So in the long it will be seat, seat, sit, seat, sit, seat. Okay. There was another word bit in the short vowel sound. Okay. So we have another sound, the long one, that is beat, beat, bit, beat. Okay. E sound. There with long vowel sound there will be 2 dots. Okay, you will identify it with the dots. Okay, if there are 2 dots, so it means they are long vowel sounds. Okay, another word, another sound we have. We had the sound cup sound, the short sound like up. So you will have to make it long. It will be a long sound. That is called is you can see it in cart, cart, cart. Okay, another word is there, mart, mart. Okay, one thing is there. There is a word H-E-A-R-T. So this is not hurt, this is heart, heart. Okay, it also comes in this one sound. Okay, the third sound, the third long vowel sound is O. We had a sound in the chart O. Okay, so we have to make it longer. So O, O, as you can see it in more, 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 R, door, and we have, yes, the fourth sound we have oo sound. There was a sound like in book and good, oo sound. You have to make it a bit longer. Oo, oo. Okay, we have the word boot, 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 and goose, goose. Okay, it is long. Okay, the last sound in the long vowel. Okay, in the monophthongs. That is one is a r sound, r. This is not r, this is like in bird, 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 curd, 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 sound. Okay, or we can also see it in girl, girl. Okay, so this we have 7 sounds in vowel. They are short. In 5 they are long. Total monophthongs are 12. We will the diphthong we will study inshallah in the next video, in the next lecture. So practice it on and keep watching these videos. Subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon so that you will get our new videos. Okay, you should take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.